Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Yoga with Dr. Padma. Today we are just going to do the basic postures that anyone can try. If you are very beginner, what are the postures you can do? Mostly I find we have like joint problems, so sitting postures are difficult. So it depends which part and how is your lifestyle. Mostly I have seen my Western students, they cannot sit on the floor very well and the knees sticks up. But whereas with Asian people like us, we can sit very comfortably. But without sitting on the floor, what are the postures we can do just by standing? So if you are in a park and you want to just stretch and you want to do some yoga stretch, so let's try out in this video and what are the postures we can actually do while standing. So just rotate your shoulders and keep your feet together. Stand strong, and I'll go a little backwards so that you can see my feet as well. First one is very basic posture which is known as Ardhakati Chakrasana. Ardha means half, Kati is in Sanskrit waist, Chakra is a wheel, Asana is posture. Asana is a Sanskrit term for yoga postures. So basically yoga that we commonly known as is asana, which is yoga postures, not the whole of yoga. So how do? We always start with our right side. So this is my right hand. Hopefully you see just not a mirror image, just a straight image. So raise your right hand up. Here you can just keep on stretching, feeling the edge of your right foot down, and this is your inhalation, stretching up, and while exhaling we bend towards our left side. What it does, it gives a nice stretch to our waist from this waistline all the way to your arm, and you can keep your left hand either hanging freely or just attached to your thigh. If you are comfortable, not dizzy, you can close your eyes. Doesn't matter whether you are just here or if you are flexible enough, you can go down. What it does, it gives a lateral flexibility to our spine, and also it also stimulates our kidney. Inhale, come back to center and relax your right arm. This is self-complementary, so we will do from left side as well. Inhale, raise your left hand up. You can give a nice stretch. Then while exhaling, bend towards your right side. You can close your eyes and focus on your breath as well as your left side stretch. And inhale, come back to center and relax. This is one posture known as half wheel posture, lateral half wheel posture. And after that we can give a stretch called Ardha Chakrasana. It's like similar, but it's a different posture, not lateral but bending backward. So I will show you a side view. What we do here, we keep our fingers pointing forward. You can also point towards your hip downwards. And if you are pointing forward, keep your wrist closer to each other and we squeeze our shoulder blades. So hands together, elbows closer, and squeeze your shoulder blades as much you can. Now from your hip, push your waist, like abdominal area kind of exaggerating and pushing forward, and bend backward. If you cannot bend too much, you can just drop your head. And inhale, come back to center. It might be quite hard as a beginner, but you can do. You can keep your knees apart and supple your knees and try to bend comfortably. And inhale, come to center. It not only gives a nice stretch to our spine but helps in expanding our chest and a better breath. It also stimulates our thyroid gland, giving that nice stretch. Those who are having breathing disorders, this is a very good practice. This is the second posture we can do. So let's do one more posture for the day. You can try these three. What we do is a balancing as well as stretching. This also helps in weight loss. So you can try it out. Interlock your fingers and stretch your arms upwards. And as it is a balancing posture, you can look towards a point or any spot. If you are in a park, any tree, not the moving one, just which is more stable, or you can look down and stretch your arms up, feel the upper body stretch, and you keep your feet and toes together, or you can spread your toes, but try to keep your heels together and come on your toes, heels up, and exhale, drop your heels down, and you can keep your hands on your head. You can do as many times, maybe 10 times. We will do just 2 more times. Inhale, stretch your arms up, and exhale down. Once again, do not close your eyes here. Inhale, stretch your arms up, and exhale, drop your heels down. Now you can rotate your shoulders, keep your feet apart. This is something called Sithila Tadasana. Sithila is something relaxing. Tadasana is a normally in standing posture. We call this is Tadasana, and this is Sithila Tadasana. In the standing posture, before performing the posture, we stand in this posture, and after every posture, relaxation is very important. So we relax by spreading our legs and keeping our hands really hanging freely, and you can close your eyes and check your breaths all the time and feel the changes that we did on our waist, like the spine sidewise and our spine when we bend backward, and then we stretched ourselves up. And as I mentioned, it helps in weight management, weight loss. In that case, while stretching up, try to maintain. Normally it is recommended around 20 seconds, but initially maybe you can start with 5 seconds and you can relax and you can repeat. So try these 3 postures. You can can practice at home or outside. And you can just, if you are walking, you can just stand up from your chair and stretch anytime you like. These are not very hard and fast rule when we can do empty stomach or not absolutely just after meal. But yeah, yoga says empty stomach if you have done breakfast after 2 hours of breakfast, or if you have done kind of your heavy lunch around 3 to 4 hours. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button. If it is helpful, let me know by commenting. And if you are new subscriber, please to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can upload more videos and you can keep on doing your practice. And thank you again. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.